Alright guys, what's going on? Back with another video. I got a 2014 Ford F150 3.5 liter Ecoboost 4x4. Don't know why I added that in, but I did. So check it out. At this current moment in my truck, I have the K&N filter. I got the throttle body spacer back there. I got the pedal commander, which has been great. It's been fun messing around with that thing. Different modes. So those of you guys that have installed it in your truck, you guys know what I'm talking about. So this time I went out and I bought a Flowmaster Delta Boost Performance Tuner. So in the box it came with that little module right there. It's all plug and play, ready to go. I already installed it. On the back of it, it has all the directions on what it does and the different modes right here. You got 4 modes. It talks about the app. Supposed to add like 4 pounds of boost, they're saying. I don't know, we'll see what happens when I go on the drive. So at this point I'm already familiar how the truck is driving, so I'm gonna know right away, hey, it feels different. Just a little about the truck that I've done so far to it. I've upgraded the rims and tires, the Falcon Wild Peak AT3s. Great tire, feels great on the road, don't get stuck or anything like that. Got the fuel rims, got the level kit on there, you know, pretty simple. Blacked out the windows. Tomorrow I am getting my system put in, addictive audio all the way around, so I'm pretty excited about it. I already had them once in my car and liking it. I love that system. It sounds great. I've upgraded all the lights to LEDs off the website from Ford F150 LEDs.com. Check it out, you guys. It's a pretty good website. Nobody's paying me to say this shit. It's just letting you guys know what I've done so far. Got a tonneau cover back there, soft top. You know, nothing too crazy, but it's my truck. Love it. You know, who doesn't want to talk about the truck, hey? Right? So I'm gonna go for a little drive, test it out, see what happens. I mean, we'll see. I don't know. I'll let you guys know though. All right, guys. So I'm on the road right now. It's pretty cool. I mean, even with the pedal commander, it's more touchy. The throttle's more responsive on it. There's even like less of a lag on top of the less of a lag after the pedal commander, if that makes any sense whatsoever. Let's see. I'll have to get on a little straight away. That's pretty cool. I mean, it feels quicker. It feels a lot quicker. You probably can't hear it, but every time I step on it, you can hear the turbo, the blow off, which is cool. Because before, yeah, I could hear it, but now I can really hear it. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Not a bad little buy. I mean, if you guys are interested in buying something like this, if you thought about it or you just wanted to wait for someone else to buy it and make a video about it and see what their reviews were, example myself, yeah, I'm up for it. Do your thing. You guys have any questions, drop a comment, I'll respond. I'm usually pretty good at responding to comments posted. If I don't know what the hell I've been doing, so I apologize, but I'll get back to you, you know. Well guys, yeah, do your thing. If you guys are looking to buy it, go for it. I'm up for it. I like it. Feels quicker, so there's less of a lag now, even more than before, like I said. All right guys, it's a rainy day out here in Lemoore. Enjoy your day, drive safe, enjoy the day wherever you guys are. Outies.